All right, so the triangular prism. This one has the most number of difficulties with it when I'm seeing dealing with children. Triangular prism is a little bit different. It's kind of like the tent, right? You guys might have seen them, or you might most commonly see them drawn like tent wise, where you have kind of like that. And so what's sketchy about the triangular prism is that it doesn't have six sides like the rectangular ones. It actually only has five faces. And those five faces are made up of the two triangles and then the three rectangles. So two triangles and three rectangles. Now, this is the most important piece. The base shape of a triangular prism are the triangles. Those triangles, it has to be sitting on the triangles in order for you to measure that height here. So looking at our diagram here, this is the height of the prism. Height of prism. If I take that, so here's my height of my prism, right here. If I take that and rotate it on its side, the height does not change. You don't become shorter just because you're laying down. The height just is in a different place. So this is that height of the prism. That can be a little bit confuzzling because dealing with the height of the prism, you also have that height of the triangle as well. And those two things are not the same, so important to recognize that. Pyramids up next. We're not going to spend a ton of time on pyramids. You basically just need to be able to identify it. Sometimes you'll see a pyramid looking from like the top down view where that's the point, and then you just kind of are looking down on it like that. You could also see a pyramid that looks like this one, which is a little different from the one on your paper because the base is different. This one has the base of a triangle, whereas the one on your paper has a base of a rectangle. So the number of faces could be different depending on the base shape. It either has 4 or 5, again, depending on the base. And that base shape can either be a triangle or rectangles, depending again on which kind of a pyramid you're looking at.